Pause for a moment. Before you scroll away, ask yourself, why are you here watching this video right now? Maybe it's not a coincidence. Maybe you were meant to see this. You might be feeling lost, overwhelmed, unsure of what's coming next. And if that's you, then listen carefully. Because what I'm about to share could change the way you see today. Life isn't random. Every moment, every challenge, every unexpected twist, you didn't stumble into it by accident. Even the smallest thing happening in your life carries meaning, wisdom, or a lesson, even if you can't see it yet. And that's exactly why you might be seeing this video today. Maybe you're carrying a worry you can't shake. Maybe a mistake from your past still haunts you. Or maybe your heart is tired of praying for something that still hasn't come. I want you to hold on to this thought. Allah's plan is never delayed. It's never too late. And what seems like a setback might actually be the very setup you've been waiting for. Because the same Allah who brought you through nights you thought would never end is still with you now. He hasn't forgotten your name, your pain, or the tears you cried in the dark. Sometimes when you think life is falling apart, it's actually falling into place. You see, we only see the moment, but Allah sees the whole story. He's not punishing you. He's positioning you. And remember this, everyone gets tested. Allah tells us, Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear. That means whatever you're facing right now, Allah already knows you can handle it. If He allowed it to reach you, He also gave you the strength to overcome it, even if you don't see it yet. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when Allah loves a servant, He tests him. Those tests aren't signs of distance, they're signs of love. They're not proof that Allah abandoned you. They're proof that He still sees something in you worth refining. And if you ever feel like you're too dirty or too sinful to turn back, remember this: Allah's door never closes. You're not too broken for Him. If anything, your struggle, your guilt, your tears, they're signs that your heart is still alive. Your faith isn't gone, it's just being tested. So maybe what you lost was never meant to stay. Maybe what didn't work out wasn't meant to hurt you, but to humble you. Maybe this pause in your life isn't rejection, it's protection. And maybe this reminder reached you right now to remind your heart that Allah is still writing your story, and it's not over yet. So breathe. You don't have to figure it all out tonight. You don't have to see the finish line to trust the path, because the one who guided you here can guide you forward too. This isn't a coincidence. It's mercy, reminding you to hold on a little longer.